Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, rear defrost. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.